So apparently in Shanghai, you can check into a spa instead of a hotel and spend 24 hours of hot spring, buffet, and naps. Welcome to Shuiguo Spa. Okay, so you check in, hand over your shoes, and get this cute little pajama set to wear around. Everyone here is basically in matching spa clothing. I feel like I just joined a giant cozy sleepover. Now here's the part that blew my mind. This spa has an arcade. Like, I'm supposed to be relaxing, but here I am trying to win a plushie in pajamas. And the best part, there was a promo today, so we didn't even have to pay for the tokens. Oh, and gamers, they've got PS5s and Nintendo Switch that you can rent as well. I can't remember exactly how much we paid for it, but it was less than $20. And when you're done gaming, you can just crash in their movie room. Just pick a spot, snuggle up, and enjoy the movie. And if all that wasn't enough, they've got different nap zones. All of them comes with pillows, blankets, and some even have personal TVs. After a long nap, I went straight to the breakfast buffet. They've got congis, rice, dim sum, fresh fruits, and many more. Honestly, I spend most of my time here trying out different drinks and snacks. I'm eating durian for the first time.
Before eating durian, she was a happy girl. Happy girl. This is her after. Her smile, gone. Her innocence, lost.
After all that snacking, I figured I should at least pretend to be healthy. So I hit the sauna. I sweated out maybe 10% of what I just ate, so that counts, right? These rooms are perfect for melting away stress and sweating out toxins. It's honestly super relaxing, cozy, and totally worth checking out if you need a break in Shanghai. This spa is seriously one of my favorite finds in Shanghai so far. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I really appreciate you being part of my little adventures, so stick around and check out my next videos.